Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change TradingView background. So to change the background it have two meanings. First one is you can simple switch between dark or light theme, or you can change the background color of the chart. So I will explain you both the options. First one, to enable dark mode and light mode you can simple press the profile icon and then here you will find dark mode and light mode feature, a toggle button. Okay, where you can easily enable dark mode or light mode. Okay, now I will also teach you how you can easily change the chart background. Okay, firstly I will disable it, the dark theme. Now here you can simple click on the setting icon in the top navigation bar. Once you press the settings icon, here you can simple go to canvas. Now here you will find a background button where you have a two option, first one solid or gradient, and a right side you will find a color picker where you can easily select the color which one you want to use in the background. Okay, and once you're done, click on OK. Here you will find the background color of the TradingView chart will be changed successfully. Okay, you can also use here gradient options. So yes, done, and then press OK. So here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.